One of my friend, his name is Pankaj. One day he was working on some data. He wanted to get some outcome from that data on the basis of some criterias. And I was near him. He asked, "Hey Rajat, you know Excel very well. Please help me out in this data to get me some outcome from this on the basis of different criterias." So I said, "Yes, definitely, I'll do. Please show me the data." So this is the data, and the problem statement was like this. He wanted to filter out some of the categories and want to get some sales number on the basis of those filters and the quantity. Now, simple way, what we will see in this video is how we can filter the data. So to do so, just click here and click on this sort and filter, and click on this filter, click here. Now filtering is used to get a specific value. For example, I have multiple categories. What I want is, I want only the tables category. For example, I click here and choose only tables. I have multiple options. When I select all, I deselect all and choose only tables. When I select only tables and click OK, you can see I have the data of the tables category only. And you can also see the numbers here in the left down corner. 833 records of 30,000 are the records of tables. Similarly, we have the different quantity, sales price and the discount of this category tables. For example, I want to keep all the categories together, but I want to filter out the data which is having only 80% discount. So in this, I select only 80% and click OK. And you can see we have the categories differently and the product name also, but we have only 80% discount values, which are coming only 49 values. So this is the way how we can easily filter and sort the data for our operation and as per our need. We will also see how you can copy paste these separate values, how we can calculate the total amount this filter value one by one once we will be entering into the formula part and functions. So this is how we can easily help someone if we know already Excel, how we can solve the task within a seconds only. The complex task if someone don't know and don't have any idea about Excel. If you like this video and the video content, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get all the updates, all the future videos and the courses available on this channel. Thank you.